The LSU AgCenter is pleased to announce its 2023 summer warm season bedding plant, and that's none other than Blue Evolvulus, also known as Blue My Mind, and it's a dwarf morning glory. Isn't this just gorgeous with that true blue color that it produces here with all these small little flowers? It is just a profuse bloomer. Now this has a trailing mounding habit, so it's excellent to use in a border to create a border in your beds. It can also be used as a spiller selection for containers. Now this loves full sun but can take partial shade, doesn't really require any deadheading. This will continue to bloom. Not a lot of fertilizer. If you want to give it a little extra boost for the fall, you can give it a little bit of a liquid fertilizer or a slow release fertilizer towards the end of summer. And this thing will just spread out and create this gorgeous mat of beautiful blue flowers. So Louisiana super plant for the summer 2023 warm season bedding plant. Plant it in the spring, does well, blooms in the spring, throughout the summer, into the fall. These gorgeous, beautiful blue flowers with that trailing mounding habit. Blue Daze, or Blue My Mind Evolvulus, is an excellent selection for the landscape and for containers and in hanging baskets. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.